And hello world.
Mali pala. Hello, Australia.
Social Australian, taray. Hi! We're going to Australia with my madam. So I have to drop our bags here. Diba? Hoy, kunwari seryoso. Kagalang-galang. Seryoso.
Tayo ngayon.
Kagalang-galang tayo for today's video. Oh, social, nagbabasa. Let's go!
Kasi baka di tayo mag-disembark sa ano eh. Di tayo
Ayo! Okay. Ito baggy. Nalilito nga ako dito eh, sa daan na to. For Tony's birthday. Hello! So happy!
Why your roster come out so early? The XCC special.
Special.
Wow! Sana all!
You know what I mean, right? I'll be hiding myself.
321.
Something more open, you know, if not my butt is going to be flat.
Survive. First timer. Oh, but our luggage are all different. Flight.
This one can legal, right?
Illegal. All good. What's your position tomorrow? What you want? Where is Sita? Sita, bye-bye. Peace. Ayan sa'yo. Welcome to Perth. Perth? Sabi na. Let's go! Yeah! Cherry Ruby Roo. Ruby Roo. Sana all solo room. Gen Z together. Oh yeah, let's go na. This one is 106. 7. Let's see. Surprise. I have my tabo. The custom officer looking at my tabo. We'll see.
One queen and one single gentleman.
You are the queen, okay.
You are the queen. You are also the
You're the
queen.
queen. Wow! Not bad, huh? Not bad.
Okay. Video first.
Wow, video
Video
first.
first.
You can say a queen. I don't like big bed.
Yes.
Oh, then we don't inform captain, right? Yeah, of course. Okay. That's a great plan. Let's go. Formal wear, sana all. Ano? No, it's ours. You forgot.
I got extra, you know.
What's your size?
But my size is 9.
Ay, yun lang. Halal or non-halal, ha?
Fried chicken and beer. And then
Way back.
Oh, let's go down. Still wearing PJs. So prepared, ah. For the flight, ah. Oh, yan na. You belong here in Perth. My roommates. Roomie. Yagan Square. Oh, our 21-year-old. Sabi ba? Oh, this one drunk, ah. Mama. Mama. Mama, this one non-halal. Oh, Gen C's. Me. Oh, Team Black. I'm the only one not wearing black. Sita, pray first. Before drinking. No drinks, no drinks. Just kidding.
Cap, can I go inside?
She will pray for her sins.
I will see.
What I have seen, will see.
Have seen.
What is that?
Queen Victoria's private shopping.
See? If we say something, no one will believe.
Is she there now?
Is she there now?
Check, can you
Heaven or hell? Sorry, delete. Kidding.
Did you drink or not?
Good boy.
Good boy.
do the same thing. This is Rosita.
I want to show my daughter. Oh my God.
So, yours is 8. Good night. See you tomorrow. I hope it's working. Yes. Do not disturb.